If you want to take good care of your bird of paradise plant, here are a few tips you need to know. Bird of paradise loves bright light, so make sure to place it in a sunny, well-ventilated spot indoors. Be careful not to overwater. Too much water can cause root rot due to water accumulation. Bird of paradise is sensitive to the cold, so bring it indoors during the winter to prevent the leaves from freezing. Feed it organic fertilizer once a month to provide the nutrients it needs for healthy growth. Follow me for more daily tips on indoor gardening.